up this morning. It's not fair. Mum's telling me I have to tidy up my room because cousin Charlie is coming. I didn't even want him to come. That boy has everything. It's just not fair. Last time I went over to his house, he had just been given the PS4 with live gold membership. I mean, how cool is that? All I have is my old PS2. And Dad says I'll have to save up my pocket money if I want a PS4. Save up my pocket money? Well, that's funny. If I had $30 a week, like Charlie does, then it wouldn't take too long to save for a PS4 now, would it? But on the other side, I only get $1.50 a week, so it will take me forever. And another thing, Charlie has an iPhone 11, and whenever he comes over, he has another really cool game that he has downloaded. I wish I lived in his family. And another thing, his family has a dog. Mum and Dad know that I have always wanted a dog, but oh no, what do I get? A goldfish. I mean, who wants fish? You can't exactly play with a fish now, can you? I tried, but it fell down the sink, and then, boy, was I in trouble. Charlie's family has a beautiful German Shepherd. Now that's what I call a pet. I'm starting to feel really mad right now. Life is just not fair. And another thing, Charlie's family are taking him skiing at Mount Buller. Will we be going skiing? Oh no! Dad doesn't like snow and Mum can't ski. I think I need a change of parents.
Dexter, where are you? Charlie's about to come.
Dad, I'm here in my room.
There you are, Dexter. Why you look so sad?
Nothing.
Would you please express your problems to your dad?
Sure, Dad. I just had the feeling that my life is just unfair because I have barely anything while Charlie has everything anyone can ever dream of.
Dexter, life fairness is not just about things, but more importantly, about being satisfied, happy, and thankful. On things like having good health, good family, good friends. Don't compare your life with others. Does Charlie's dad spend time with him? No. He is always busy at work to get more money and be able to buy him what he wants.
That's true. I didn't think it this way. Plus, these things don't really make me happy.
You got it, Dexter. This is the right thing to think about life. I think I can hear Charlie downstairs. Let's go and see him.
Okay, let's go. I'll try to be friendly with him. The guy who has everything.
I thought we'd go down to the park and give Charlie a go on the go-kart that we spent last few months building out of your old pram. Are you ready for the adventure?
Sure!
And then we'll come back and challenge Charlie to a game of football in the garden before we go out for lunch.
Oh yes, I'd forgotten about the new goals posts I got for my birthday this year.
Make sure you bring down that delicious fudge your mom made with you last night. I'm sure Charlie will love to try a piece.
Yes, Dad, I'm coming. Okay. I know what you're all going to say. Life isn't as unfair as I thought it was. And perhaps I wasn't thankful. And after I heard myself out loud, I do sound very dumb and should definitely be thankful for my family, friends, food, water, shelter, school, and much more. God has created everything for us, and He definitely needs a thank you, just like they taught us in Sunday school.
One, for each blessed day. Two, every breath I take. Three, for my family. Four, all they mean to me. Five, just to be